This is our fully automatic H-type layer raising equipment. It can realize fully automatic feeding, drinking, manure cleaning, air collecting, ventilation system, electric control system, lighting system. With this kit, you can get very good raising performance.
Maggie, I have a few questions I want to confirm with you. So what's the lifespan of this type of equipment?
Yeah, you can see that we use the hot dip galvanized material. The zinc thickness is 275 grams per square meter, lifespan more than 20 years.
And you know, most of our customers from very hot areas, such as Africa, use this type of equipment. Is suitable for the hot area?
Yes, sure. This is a special design for the tropical area. You can see that we put 6 chickens in this cage. The raising space is 450 square centimeter per bird. And you can see that every tier, the height is 650 millimeter. We have the 10 centimeter gap. It is good ventilation and lighting. And the chickens will not pick the manure belt. It will reduce the disease. Okay, follow me. I will introduce you more advantages. Yeah, please. You can see that there's 10 centimeter between each cage. So it is good ventilation and will avoid the chickens pick each other. From here, you can see we provide 2 water lines. It can make sure enough water in the hot area.
And Maggie, is this our manure belt cleaning system?
Yes, we provide 4 scrapers to make sure clean the manure completely. The first one is at the back of the cage, and the second one is in the turning point in the manure belt, and the third one in the middle under the manure belt, and the fourth one is the V-shaped scraper in the front of the chicken cage.
Also, I have a question of feeding system. What's the method of our feeding system use?
You can see that we provide a fully automatic feed trolley system. The below 3 tiers, we provide 60 kilogram capacity of hopper, and the upper one is the 70 kilogram capacity. It will make sure enough feed in the top tiers. Follow me. This is a special design. You can see we provide the feed adjuster. It can adjust the thickness of the feed. We also provide the feed collector. It can collect the remaining feed in the feed trough. It will save the feed cost.
And with this type of equipment, is eggs very easy broken?
No, you can see that we use the 2.15 millimeter wire in the bottom mesh. And you can see that the bottom is special design 8-degree slope. It will reduce the egg broken rate. From here is the egg guider. It will not avoid the eggs collection here. It will make the eggs go into the elevator one by one. It will reduce the egg broken rate.
So all the system is automatic, right?
Yes.
Can you show us?
Yeah, let me operate for you. This is the fully automatic feeding system. And the fully automatic egg collecting system. if you are interested in our fully automatic H-type layer cage, please feel free to contact me. We will give you one-by-one surface and answer.
RETECH Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.